Hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about the relative rate of reaction. Relative rate of reaction. First, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, which was denoted by RA, rate of conversion of A, for B, rate of production of B. So in this lecture we will discuss about the relative rate of A. Sometime in the reaction there are more than one reactant. Sometime in reaction there are more than one reactant. Suppose there are two reactants in this reaction. Sometimes there are many reactants in a reaction, and their rate of reaction are not equal. So in this case we will compare the rate of one reactant with the rate of other reactant, or the rate of one reactant to the rate of product in a reaction. So in this case we will use the relative rate of reaction. The relative rate of reaction is used in the cases when there are more than one reactant or more than one product. More than one reactant of product. So in this case we will use the relative rate of reaction. Suppose we have a general reaction in which A mole of A react with B mole of B to form C mole of C and D mole of product D. In this case the rate of conversion of A will be, rate of disappearance of A will be denoted by minus R A. Similarly, the rate of disappearance of reactant B will be denoted by R B. The rate of appearance of product C will be denoted by R C. The rate of appearance of product D will be denoted by D. Now, what will be the relative rate of reactant A, reactant B, product C, product D? This reaction shows that 1 mole of A will react with 1 mole of B, C mole of C and D mole of D will produce. So, when A mole of A reacted, then B mole of B will be also reacted. So, the relative rate of A to the relative rate of B will be denoted by minus R A divided by the stoichiometric coefficient of reactant A. The relative rate of A divided by the stoichiometric coefficient of A will be equal to the relative rate of B divided by the stoichiometric coefficient of B. As A and B are consuming, so there will be minus sign. Similarly, the rate of disappearance of A divided by A will be equal to the rate of disappearance of B divided by the stoichiometric coefficient B, and it will be equal to the rate of appearance of C divided by the stoichiometric coefficient of C, which will be equal to the rate of appearance of D divided by the stoichiometric coefficient of product D. So this is D. So this is the relative rate of A to B and C and D. We can also relate these two equations. For example, these two equations, we can also relate these two equations. So we will, for example, if we relate the rate of conversion of A to the rate of formation of C, then it will be equal to minus RA divided by A is equal to RC divided by C. So the rate minus RA will be equal to A by C into the rate of production of C. This A and C are the stoichiometric coefficient. Similarly, the rate, for example, if we compare B and C then it will be equal to minus RB divided by B will be equal to RC divided by C. So in this case minus RB will be equal to B by C into RC. So this is the relative rate of reactant and product. Thanks.